Can you imagine a scenario where you have your computer here, desktop or laptop, and then you have your display up to 10 kilometers away, which are roughly 32,000 feet. It is a crazy setup, but it's completely possible just by using one single cable like this one here, which is a fiber optic cable, and using this kit right over here, which is a DisplayPort extender over fiber optic cable. And this is an insane setup. We are talking about 32,000 feet, 10 kilometers away, and probably it's not a common setup, at least I'm not aware, but imagine that you have on your house, on your warehouse, on your office, a wall at this color. You know that you can purchase fiber optic cables thinner than this one here. For example, I do have two dimensions here. This one is a bit thicker, this is thinner, and there are thinner cables. And if you purchase one which is gray or white, depending on your wall, and if you haven't any other way to pass through a DisplayPort cable, HDMI cable, whatever, in this particular case we are talking about DisplayPort, this is an awesome solution. And probably you don't even need 10 kilometers or 32,000 feet. Probably you just need about 100 meters or something like that. It's totally possible. And if it's the same color, it will be invisible. And this is a setup that we are very aware on our enterprises, our houses, our warehouses. So really cool. My name is Roberto George. Welcome back to the OREI's YouTube channel. And today with this extend, which is a fiber optic extender, DisplayPort over fiber optic. Now inside the package we will find the two units, which is a receiver and a transmitter, and besides that we will also have a power adapter for each of the units, which have to be powered on both ways. Now if we take a look at the transmitter, which will be the one near our computer, you will see right over here a DisplayPort input and then a link LED which will turn on when it has connection with the fiber optic cable and the other unit at the other end, and it has a USB Type-C service port right over here as well. Now on the other side we have a DC input power, and we also have the power LED which will turn on as soon as it has power, and it also has an SFP. In this particular case it's the out on the receiver, and if you take a look at the SFP, it is a normal one. So if you want to replace it with any other, you will be able to do, because these, as you know, universal. Now if we take a look at the receiver, which is the unit that will be on the other end near to our display that we want to have on a remote location up to 10 kilometers away, 32,000 feet, then it is practically the same. It will receive the signal over the cable, and then it will transcode and do its magic and then share it to the display. But if we take a look at the ports, it's exactly the same. A output in DisplayPort, a link LED, service USB Type-C, and then on the other end it has the SFP in, and it also has the power LED and the power input. And in terms of connectivity, it's simple as this. In one end, near our computer, it will have the DisplayPort cable coming from the computer and connecting to the DisplayPort input on the receiver, and then we will power it on. It will connect the cable, the fiber optic cable, easy as this, just a click and there we go. And if I want to release it, I need just to press it here and it will release, and it will connect to the other end. Now the other end, we will have the fiber optic cable once again coming in, the DC power, and then we will have a DisplayPort cable that will come out to the display. The setup is easy as this, but let's check it out in action. Here we are with the setup for the 4K 60Hz fiber optic DisplayPort extender, which can go up to 10 kilometers using a fiber optic cable. Now at this moment I do have another display, but it's not at 10 kilometers. It's only about 30 meters or so with a fiber optic cable. Now the setup that I've got right over here, now we do have the transmitter, which we have connected the power right over here. We are connected with the DisplayPort cable on this side, as we've seen on the connectivity, and then the fiber optic cable, which will connect between the transmitter and the receiver, which is on the other side. Now on the other side I only have the display and I have the receiver, which will then connect with the fiber optic, and it will output the DisplayPort cable to that particular display, which once again it's at 30 meters, but it could be at 10 kilometers away with one single cable. Now we can have the exact same duplicated image that I've got right over here, and as you can see, everything that I do on this screen will replicate on the other. But we can also do something that we have seen many times before in different devices, not one that goes up to 10 kilometers, but we have seen on others, which is to extend the display. So right now, if I want to keep changes, now we have two different resolutions, and if I identify this one right over here is actually a 1080 display, but the other display on the other end of the fiber optic is actually a 4K display at 60 Hz, which is the maximum that I can achieve. Now, one thing to have in mind, this particular computer has a DisplayPort output right over here, which is being connected to the transmitter, but it also has an HDMI output, which I'm using to have image on this display. Because on the transmitter, we only have one DisplayPort output. So if your computer only has one, which I doubt, usually graphic card computers has more than one DisplayPort, usually 3 DisplayPorts and one HDMI. In this particular case, this is a mini computer, so he only has one DisplayPort, one HDMI, and then one USB Type-C, which will output image as well. But in this particular case, we can have the extended image, and if I bring to the other display, you can see it right over there, and if I bring it back, then we have right over here now different resolutions, 1080 on this one, smaller display, and then 4K on the other display. But this is an awesome setup. Just thinking about having 10 kilometers away, working great, and we can do everything. I can play music, I can play any video, I can play any game if I want to right over here, and being displayed 10 kilometers away with a really simple setup that we have right over here. And on this end, the only thing that we have is the receiver, which has the cable, which is the DisplayPort cable connected to the computer, and then the power DC in, and also the fiber optic cable. Now, one of the things that I'm going to do here with you is if I disconnect the fiber optic cable here, what we will have is a loss of image. Now, I did this on purpose so that we can check it out. And if I plug it in once again, it will take about 1 second or so, and there we go, back working and everything is fine. Now we also have a LED on this end right over here, which means power, and then one LED right over here, which is the link, and it will activate and deactivate depending if we have the fiber optic cable connected or not. If we disconnect, then the light will go off. If we connect the light will go on. So really awesome, really simple, and we can have a setup like this 10 kilometers away. And that is it, simple as this, although it's capable of having our setup here and then 10 kilometers away, 32,000 feet, a display, which is something awesome. Just the possibility, even if you don't need it at this moment, the possibility is right over here. 10 kilometers away, 32,000 feet. Hope that you enjoyed the video, and if you did so, don't forget the usual thumbs up right over there, which is really appreciated on this side of the screen. My name is Roberto George, and as always, I'll see you on the next one.